Welcome back to Gunplug TV. We're going to be doing another banger video. Today we're going to be shooting 3 different kind of guns, 2 being the same caliber and 1 being a special different caliber. Leave it in the comments if you can tell what caliber it is. So I think this time I'm going to start off with a Beretta, and then I'll move up to a Glock. Okay. So this is what we're going to be firing. So this is going to be a Springfield SD, a Glock, and a Beretta. We'll start off with the Beretta, then I'm going to go to the Glock. And yes, we do got the extended mag for that boy. This is called a Beretta Px4 Storm. It do have a rotating barrel. It's a 9mm caliber. It holds 17. By rotate. Let's see if y'all can see the rotation. Yeah, it moves and then it will rotate. It do have a safety. I'm just showing y'all. It's on safety. I'm about to turn it off the safety. Fire in the hole! Let me. It's not a bad little firearm. You can see the smoke of it off of it though. It hasn't been fired in a very long time. Gotta make sure it's clear. So it still did have one in the head. It's holding about 9 at the moment, 10. All right, I'm gonna go back to it. But right now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go up one. I'm gonna go to the Glock. I'm gonna see what the Glock can do. It's on safety. So we're gonna have 2 magazines with the Glock. One being a 10-round magazine, and the other one being a 34-round magazine. This is one of my favorite mags. This is a Glock 26, 9x19. Pretty nice Glock. It's one of my favorites. Small, compact, and really nice when you need it concealed. Never was a big fan of the extension.